What's up everybody? Today we're gonna play Survive Lava for Brain Rots, and I already made a video but I accidentally forgot to put my mic on, so yeah. I don't have a lot of celestials, but I will the video what I made before this, I will put it on YouTube, but you're only gonna hear the sound of the game. Look guys, I'm not that good. I really want a strawberry elephant. Whoa. Must I put it in my base? Guys, do you know what? I'm gonna do a giveaway. These two brain rods, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Wait, I'm gonna... Okay guys, I'm gonna do a giveaway. These 4 brain rods, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Put your usernames in the comments, and I promise you guys, I'm not a scammer like the streamers. On like, I'll $100 and I will give you a secret. No, I'm not like that. So put your usernames in the comment. And that's all. And then I will do a giveaway. But you guys must like and subscribe, okay? Okay, bye bye.